Hello, welcome to another question on stoichiometry. A reaction requires 3 moles of hydrogen gas. That's what it requires. How many grams of aluminium reacting with excess HCl, according to this equation right here, are needed to produce the necessary hydrogen? So they told us that we want to get 3 moles of hydrogen at the end of the day. That's what we want to get, 3 moles of hydrogen. So how many grams of aluminium reacting with excess HCl, according to this reaction right here, is needed to produce the necessary hydrogen? That's 3 moles. Okay, so we want to get 3 moles of hydrogen and we're asked how many moles of aluminium to do that. So we're comparing aluminium and hydrogen, okay? Now, what other information do we have here? What other information do we have here? We're looking for the grams of hydrate of aluminium. Okay, so we don't know this one, but we know that this is 3 moles at the end of the day. Alright, we're also given the molar masses. That's what you have here. These are the molar masses. For aluminium, the molar mass is 27 grams per mole. So that would mean that 1 mole of aluminium weighs 27 grams. Yes, that's what it means. So then how do we approach this question? How do we approach this question? We have 3 moles of H2. Then we can see that 3 moles of H2 reacts with the relationship between the aluminium and hydrogen is 2:3 from the balanced equation. And that's why it has to be balanced. So with this, we can work from what we have, 3 moles of hydrogen that we want to get, to the amount of aluminium that is necessary. So 3 moles of H2, working back here, you would have 2 moles of Al divided by 3 moles of H2. You see how I've arranged this? And you would know that what you're doing is right because this would cancel out this. The moles of hydrogen will cancel out, and you can say that you have now converted this to moles of Al. That's aluminium. What else do we need to do? We need to take that to the grams of Al that's necessary. So I still need to multiply again by something that should help me get the grams of aluminium up there. 27 grams of Al is 1 mole of Al. And again, you would know you're doing the right thing if it's cancelling out and leaving you with what you want. So this means we can then multiply out and divide. And if you do that correctly, you have 54 grams of aluminium. That is the amount of aluminium it will take to react with excess HCl to then give you the 3 moles of hydrogen gas. Does this make sense? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one.